Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to organize my Spotify playlist by genre. And this is quite simple. So what you're gonna do is search for a song and now let's see, maybe we want some hip hop. And if I find a hip hop song, so Gold School, something like Lose Yourself, we can tap on the three dots, then we click on add playlist. And then we want to create a new playlist and we call this one hip hop. Right now we do create. And if you can see right here, we just created a playlist for all our hip hop songs. Right now, every time when we are searching for a song, so let's search for a song again. Let me see, maybe we want something more from Eminem. Now, like this, Mockingbird, then we click on the three dots again, add to playlist, and add this to your hip hop playlist. You can make a house playlist, you can make a pop playlist, but on this way you can organize your Spotify playlist by genre. Alright, this is exactly how you can do this, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.